Muhoozi continues to act. 4 UPDF officials face justice.
Together with me, Captain Alex, Second Lieutenant Regina Nazara, Second Lieutenant Baganda, Dickens, Second Lieutenant on report,
So the key development here is a group of 4 senior officers of the Uganda People's Defense Forces, that's UPDF, reportedly led by Brigadier General James Barige Ruesi, is said to be appearing before the General Court Martial GCM to face charges linked to fuel theft. The reports circulating about these specific court appearances are very recent and largely sourced from social media early signals, meaning full official details, charge sheets, co-accused names, dates of arrest, have not yet been publicly detailed in mainstream outlets. Background of the case: the alleged case is tied to long-running investigations into fuel theft within UPDF logistics systems, especially involving diversion of fuel supplies, misuse of military resources, possible organized rackets within units. Earlier investigations revealed that large quantities of fuel allocated to military units never reached their intended destinations. Losses reportedly ran into billions of shillings over several years. Brigadier General Ruesi himself had previously been arrested on orders of the Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi over similar allegations. Detained at Makinde military barracks during investigations. Now, about the court-martial. The General Court-Martial, that's GCM, is the UPDF's highest military court, responsible for trying, serving soldiers, military-related offenses, including corruption, theft, misconduct. It is currently chaired by Brigadier General Robert Freeman Mugabe as of recent appointment. Now, there's a wilder crackdown context. The case is part of a broader anti-corruption crackdown within the UPDF, where dozens of senior officers have been investigated or detained. Offenses include theft, ghost supplies, procurement fraud, and diversion of logistics. The crackdown has been driven by a stated zero-tolerance policy on corruption in the military. Now, the efforts to recover large sums of lost public funds is one of the driving factors. And there's important notes that you need to take. As of now, names of the other 3 officers, specific counts, charges, and exact hearing date details are not yet fully confirmed in verified news reports. So the bottom line is the appearance of Brigadier General Ruesi and other officers before the court-martial is a continuation of a major anti-corruption purge in the UPDF centered mainly on fuel theft network in the military operation. Expect more official details, formal charges, and possibly remand rulings, proceedings, and other steps to become public in a very near future.